Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Yusef Scott, and I thank each and every one of you for being here with me this morning as we go over something that's very simple, but some people really struggle with. All right, each and every one of you, top of the morning to you. I just wanted to cover something that I think will help you realize the market maybe a little bit better in terms of the type of trader that you can be, or maybe help you see why you might struggle in certain areas of your trading throughout the day. All right, so let me just go ahead and pull up the demonstration here, and let me just show you. All right, so as you see here, what I did was I broke down. I made this picture here, a diagram of support and resistance is shown here, 1 day candle. Okay, now of course I like to trade the day chart. The day chart, it's very simple and easy to me, and what I'm doing now, I'm helping people to realize the power behind trading more of a long-term the day chart, because what happens in 1 day chart is what you have here in this column. All right, so if you are trading the minute chart, you have 1440 1 minute candles. All right, and then as you go down the line, you see that it increases. So I'm sorry, it decreases. So as you see, you have 288 5-minute candles, 96 15-minute candles, and so on. So I like to trade the day candle, because what it is, if the market is at resistance when it opened and it closes that support, and if it's, let's say this is a 500 pip gap in between here, well, it's absorbing all of this. Okay, and all I need to know is that this is resistance and this is where it closed at support, and I can take the entire pot. I don't have to fight trying to look at different levels on the minute chart, and then the 5-minute, the 15 and 30, and then the 1 hour. I don't need to look at that. Although in between these, on these levels here, you will find other less important and less, I'll say less important support and resistance levels. But when you're looking at the day chart, you find the stronger support and resistance levels. Okay, so you don't get faked out. You're less likely to get faked out. If you can realize which way the market is going on the day chart, then you're in the money. And I know a lot of you are witnessing some of the results that I've been able to post most recently, and it's because of my style of trading. I keep things very simple. I don't need to use no different strategies to realize which way the market is going. It's very common sense. The market only does two things every day, and that goes up and goes down. So where it goes up to and where it goes down to is support and resistance. So with that, you have to realize that you're making your job much harder when you're possibly harder, I'd say, because some people, they actually trade the smaller time frames, and they do quite well. But for those of you who are new and you've been lured into the idea of trading Forex and making quick money, well, let me just sort of be in your face right now, and just to tell you that the same money that you can make on the 5-minute chart, the 1-minute chart, is the same money that you can make on a daily chart. And the great thing about the daily chart is that you don't see all of the different levels that are minor support and resistance levels that you will find. You don't see that on a daily chart. All right, so you're less likely to get faked out, to pull out early. You're just in it, and you're making money. All right, and a lot of people, they say, well, you got to have a lot of money to trade the day chart. Well, that's bogus. You don't have to. You just have to know where the market is going. Actually, you have to know that on any chart. The great thing about the day chart is that when you put your trade in, just the way that I teach my students, you make sure that you have everything lined up, and you make sure that that it's your time to enter into the market. and of course with great with the great steps that I have when to enter the market, you're less likely to get faked out. All right, so I just wanted you guys to let's see. So this one, all right. So I just wanted you guys to see, I just wanted you guys to see that you can actually, I wanted you guys to see this demonstration so you can get a better idea as to how to realize profit, or how I realize profit on a day chart, and how you can make your trading on a daily, not on a daily chart, but make your daily trading a little harder by trading these smaller time frames. All right, and like I said, you can trade them. A lot of people, they trade them with ease, and they do a wonderful job. But however, if you're new to Forex, I think that it'd be a better thing. Well, my opinion is that the daily trading is of course, is more profitable. You have stronger support and resistance lines, and you're less likely to get faked out. That's just how it is. So I just really wanted to point that out to you guys. I hope that although this was a small demonstration, I hope that it was invaluable to you guys to be able to see exactly what it's like. Because if I can just go a little farther, this is one candle, but you have 1,440 small candles in between here, going up and going down. Imagine 1,440 little candles, 288 candles in between here. Of course, now they've gotten larger. So if you can demonstrate, if you can, see this in your mind, you have this one great big day candle, and then as you go down the line all the way to the 1 minute, then you see now you have two smaller, 12-hour candles. All right, for those of you who trade at 12 hours, and then you go down to the next one, you have three 8-hour candles that are a little smaller than the 12. And then you go down smaller than that, you have 6 4-hour candles. So as you keep going down inside of this area, now you're down to 6 4-hour candles, and it's much smaller than this day candle. And then it's 24 even smaller 1-hour candles. So it keeps breaking down until now you're down to a very small 1,440 1-minute candles in between this 1 day candle. So that's the way I like to. I have to see things. I have to write it out, be able to see things and understand it. For those of you who are the same way, hopefully this has helped you, because this is real, and this is what happens. So this is how I'm able to make continuous profit in the market, because I understand the basics, and all you need to know is the basics. So everything else is just whatever. It's not that important. It's the market only goes up and down. So that's it for now, you guys. Hopefully you guys are off to a great weekend. I'm ready to get out and get my wife and daughter out there into the sun to have some fun. So just want to shoot this off to you guys this morning. It's just about 9 o'clock a.m. and I get up early. I sleep. This is what I do. Find ways to illustrate how to make profit in the market. It's better in me, and it's also better in those around me. So my circle becomes much stronger when you have the same knowledge that I have. All right. That's it for now, you guys. You guys have a great one. All right. Peace.